diving into two important areas of law that affect our daily lives, the tax law and the civil law. Tax law governs how the government collects taxes from individuals and businesses, ensuring that public services and infrastructures are funded. From income tax to business tax, understanding tax law helps us to comply with legal obligations and avoid penalties. On the other hand, civil law deals with private relationships and legal disputes between individuals and organizations. It covers contracts, property, family matters, and more. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of these two legal pillars and why they are mattering to every citizen. So let's get started.
Understanding tax law and its importance. Tax law is the body of legal rules and regulation that govern how taxes are imposed, collected, and enforced by governments. It includes laws on income tax, corporate tax, sales tax, property tax, and other levies imposed on individual and businesses. Tax law are essential for several reasons. Number 1, revenue generation. Governments rely on taxes to fund public services such as infrastructure, education, healthcare, and national defense. 2, economic regulation. Taxes influence economic activities by encouraging or discouraging certain behavior such as investment through tax incentives or reducing carbon emission through environment taxes. 3, legal compliance and penalties. Tax are ensure businesses and individuals follow rules to prevent tax evasion and fraud.
I am Tiffany Janos A. Kamal, and let's define what is civil law. Civil law is a branch of law that governs private rights and obligations between individuals, families, and businesses. Unlike criminal law, which deals with crimes and punishments, civil law focuses on resolving disputes and ensuring fairness in personal and commercial matters. In the Philippines, civil law is primarily based on the Civil Code of the Philippines or Republic Act No. 386, which has been in effect since 1950. This law provides the rules on family relations, property, contracts, successions, and damages.
Civil law is broad, and here are its main areas. The first one is family law. It covers marriage, annulment, child custody, and adoption. The second one is property law. It governs land ownership, property rights, and real estate transactions. The third one is obligations and contracts. It ensures that agreements between parties are legally binding and enforceable. The fourth one is succession law. It deals with inheritance and how a person's property is distributed after their death. The fifth one or the last one is torts and damages. It covers cases where a person is harmed due to someone else's negligence, like in accidents or fraud. Why civil law is essential? Civil law is essential because it protects people's rights, ensures fair treatment, and provides a way to resolve conflicts peacefully. It maintains order in society by setting legal standards for personal and business transactions.
To sum it all, civil law governs private relationships and obligations, ensuring justice and fairness in everyday life. It affects important matters like family, property, contracts, and inheritance, making it an essential part of our legal system. We hope this discussion has helped you understand civil law better. Thank you for